If I go to a chiropractor, will they crack my neck? I'm Dr. Jen Rosenhart with Rosenhart Family Chiropractic, and the answer is maybe. There are a variety of techniques, including this one, that we can use for people who maybe don't like to be manually adjusted or hear that popping sound or that cracking sound, or maybe they're not a good candidate for that. That's part of our job on the front end, is to make sure that you are a great candidate for certain styles of adjusting. So the answer is still, it depends. If that's something you're looking for, great. If it's something you're not looking for, always voice what you want. Be a great advocate for your own health. Again, my name is Dr. Jen Rosenhart with Rosenhart Family Chiropractic, where we put the heart in healthcare.